Good morning, y'all. Welcome to another video. And today is going to be a little bit of a different one. I got this new mount. So hopefully we're going to be doing more POV videos, which is what we're going to try out today and see how stable this mount is. And it should be more of a shorter video. We're going to take the Supra out, and then we're also going to take the BMW as well. And we're going to go to a local Cars and Coffee. But before we do that, probably going to wipe her down really quick. Wipe her down, make it look nice, and then we will head to Cars and Coffee. So this will be more of a POV video, something that I just wanted to try. I've been seeing this mount all over TikTok. So if you have any suggestions, if you have any tips and tricks on nicer POV videos, let me know in the comments below. Without further ado, I'll start talking because it is I think 9:30 in the morning, and I clearly have not had my coffee, so my voice is a little scratchy. But let's get to cleaning this. It's an old little Toyota, using some speed sauce from Bling Sauce. Try them out. Let's see how it goes. Also, just gonna check the oil, make sure that that is good as well. Still fighting that mysterious oil leak. No idea where the heck that's coming from, but it is what it is. Wow, that's dirty. Car's been sitting outside because we've been working on other things. So that's why it's a little dirtier than usual. I'm not gonna spend too much time cleaning this because forecast shows rain. But we'll see when that starts. It says the rain is supposed to start around noontime, so we got a few hours of dry weather. Just gonna check the oil really quick, make sure that's good before we get going. I feel like this mount is pretty wobbly, but you guys could let me know in the comment section. Yep. Oil looks pretty full to me. Let's check it one more time. And we're out of here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Looks pretty full. Alright, let's get going. BMW is ready to go. I think I'm gonna tilt this a little bit further up. Yeah. BMW is ready. Make sure that that's locked. Cool. Alright, boys. boys. Let's see if this battery lasted or not. Quick gas stop. Whoa. Old car problems. Seatbelt didn't retract properly. Alright. Diesel? 85? Just kidding. Tell me that doesn't look sick. Famous YouTuber here. Collection of cars here. I think it's a matte wrap or an individual color that looks really cool. Got the Porsches, new M5. Let's check that out. G90 M5. Looks massive. Carbon mirrors. This is crazy. It's really big compared to the older one, F90, F10. Carbon trunk. Or trunk lip, sorry, carbon roof. Looks pretty cool. I got A90 Supra. OG, kind of now. Alright boys, we got a special one here. We're gonna go to another meet, and we're rolling with Umar. See that? You got the crew here. So we just pulled up. This is supposed to be the second meet, and there's no meet. 1,000 people confirmed on Facebook. We are the meet.
It's down the road? He
We're at the wrong spot?
Down the road.
I think we're at the wrong spot, he said.
All right,
Let's go.
We'll follow you. But it says KRW Performance. Wrong spot. Bro, this guy just did us all dirty. This meet is next week, bro.
Hey, let's go next week then.
Let's go next week.
Rally.
Fuck it. Oh boy.
We can probably go to California and come back.
I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. Let me just quit my job.
We made it a week early.
I got a name for it. Brown Rush Rally.
Alright, well, I think we're gonna figure out where we're going and probably close this out. This meat is definitely more poppin'. Turbo S, 3RS, Grand Sport. Ooh, haven't seen one of these in a while. C7 Grand Sport. So Viper, Gen 4, Cybertruck, Hellcats, C8. Hellcat boys. This is sick. That looks pretty cool. Vortex supercharger. Wow. Lean. I think we got a Crowder on the Supra. There's another Supra here, but I cannot find it. Look at this. Wow. Canards on this thing. It's wide body, Evo 10. MR. Okay. This is pretty cool. Definitely a show car. I got a C6 Z06. No Supra. Only one here. Alright y'all, just to recap, we're heading home now from those two meets. The first one was at MOTW, which is pretty cool. Got to see a lot of familiar faces there and some new faces. So that was pretty nice because it wasn't too hot in the morning. And it was a little bit more cloudy, so it wasn't like sticky hot. And then we decided to go to another meet that Omar wanted to go to. And we drove all the way to Lockport, which is like another 35 minutes southeast from where we were. And come to find out that that meet is actually next week. So We basically drove there for no reason, but it was still a good time. I got some sick roller shots and some B-roll that you guys will see. Excuse me. And then after that, we found out that there's a meet at Holy Buckets in Bridgeview. So which was another 30 minutes from where we were in Lockport. So drove there. That was awesome. It was packed, like the parking lot was full. I mean, you'll see all that. So you saw all that stuff by now. And there were a bunch of kids there. I think it was some sort of like charity car meet. So I mean, it was pretty cool. All the kids came out. They were sitting in Uber's Lambo, and they told me to two-step it, so I couldn't resist. I had to two-step it for the kids. Yeah, it was a good time. Hung out there for a little bit. They also had like they were giving like free juice, and there's like a chiropractor or something like that there. So that was kind of weird. I've never seen a chiropractor at a car meet. That's a new one. But the juice was right here. I think it's called Sada Coffee Co. Anyways, it was the mango juice. It was pretty good, especially on a hot summer day. Nothing beats an ice cold mango juice, and I love mangoes, especially in the summer. So couldn't go wrong with that. I think they have a location. I'm not too sure where, but I remember seeing it like on TikTok or Instagram. I'm not too sure. Maybe it's coming soon. I don't really know, but that was pretty cool that they had that at the meet because it was super hot, and it was technically like a cars and coffee, but they didn't really have coffee, so I guess that makes up for it. But that was really cool. The parking lot was kind of tight, so there were a lot of people that were bunched up together and kind of trying to find parking spots and stuff, which was always a little bit of a pain in the butt. Other than that, great overall turnout, sorry. And yeah, so the Supra's doing good. It got the AC on, nice and toasty, or not nice and toasty, but nice and cool in the Supra. The temps and everything look great. No issues on that. So we're just cruising back home. We're gonna put the car away. We got some family stuff going on. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for more meets, more upgrades on the Supra. I'm working on a lot of things here in the background. And once the car is completely ready and dialed in, then I think it's gonna be super fun. We're gonna do things like reaction videos and a bunch of other stuff that, if you subscribe, you will know first. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you later. Drive safe.